Here's a certified 2017 Toyota Camry. With intuitive tech and sporty details, you'll feel the excitement before you even hit the gas. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, multifunction steering wheel, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Of the Camry, Edmunds.com highlights the comfortable and spacious interior with above average rear seat space, good visibility, and user-friendly interior controls. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Peterson Toyota. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 4381 Fayetteville Road in Lumberton. We look forward to doing business with you.